Floki INU has been added to Coinbase's assets roadmap, which means we might see another huge parabolic meme coin explosion for Floki. If this happens, like it happened recently with PEPE coin, then we could see similar price action and maybe even a breakout through and beyond the previous all-time high, both by price and market capital of $3 billion. This means we could see a 2, 3, 5, maybe even 10x. Of course, it's all speculative, but if it does happen, this is going to be extremely good news for Floki holders. And of course, in this video, I'm going to share with you two other gems out there in the crypto space. Both are in the sort of meme coin category that I think can also go up in the next few days. So yeah, Floki, the people's cryptocurrency. If you're a Viking, a Floki Viking, you already know what the Floki army is about, and it's a great ecosystem. It's a fantastic product, it's a fantastic utility token, and I really like it, to be fair. So far, we can see this is what we've had leaked. Coinbase assets added to the roadmap today, Floki. So if this is to happen soon, especially in the heat of the market that we're currently in, I do think personally we can see something massive. And you've only got to really sort of compare it to what happened with PEPE coin, and you can see the real true efficacy of a Coinbase listing in the heat of a bull market. Now, of course, with this news and the tweet alone, we have already seen a bit of a news pump up from 0.0002 to 2.6, and it can still get some continuation. And when the news actually happens, then I think it's going to get even more bullish again. If we look at PEPE and what's happened here with PEPE, go to the markets, you can see already Coinbase, since the listing, is the 5th largest volume driver in terms of the exchange here, getting tons of volume through that centralized exchange, which is extremely bullish. And in fact, on the centralized exchange side, it's the 4th largest PEPE over USD. So that is what the true result is from a Coinbase listing. If we see that, we might get a similar level of volume come through for Coinbase, and it's very bullish for everybody. So for Floki, I do think this coin has a lot of potential still. I think it can move a lot higher. So this has been a great deal of consolidation. Consolidated here, Floki, in this particular range for a very solid amount of time. 273 days. And I think the breakout will actually happen soon. What I've always imagined to happen is that Floki would come into this price structure where we're seeing now. But I think actually it's going to go much higher in the future. I think this is still early days for Floki. If we use our FIB tool from that top to the previous bottom, which is going to be just here, we can actually see our 2618 and 1618 Fibonacci retracement tool. This is where I personally think Floki can get to upon a breakout. So we have the top threshold, lower threshold there between our 26 and 1 Fib. Just ignore these red things for now. We can actually see, this is being pragmatic. This is being not too bullish. 142% increase. Somewhere in the middle between 1.6 and 2618 Fibonacci's, around a 2x is where I'd be looking to personally take some kind of profit. So if I do see Floki come up to this region, I'm going to know, firstly on the weekly RSI, when you look at this, it's going to become more overbought on the RSI, and that's a selling indicator. If we do get there. So we're looking for that kind of movement up into this threshold. If the Coinbase listing happens, I keep getting my words wrong here, that's what we'll see. We'll see this RSI boom upwards, and in my opinion, that would be the sort of take profit zone. So it's all very much speculation on news and whether Coinbase can make this happen, and I personally think they will. Of course, if you're someone out there, by the way, looking for trading signals, early alpha and more, we have a massive straight to DEX coin coming next week, which my VIPs will hear about in the ultra early. So if you want to get into a massive straight to DEX, which could be a new 10 to 100x, similar to the small coin that we had earlier this year, which indeed did a 50x, do become a crypto legend. We've only got 3 slots available. This will give you access to these high value, massive movements that could happen in the crypto space. And if you do want to grow your portfolio, the Patreon down below, or alternatively the WOP store, it's a good place for you to begin doing that and actually amplify your crypto journey. So do check it out down below. It's very, very helpful for you and for me. And yeah, thanks to any new and existing sort of subscribers on the Patreon side. Really appreciate it. Now, this is one of the coins. Traders predict Slothana price 420x next Binance listing. Interesting. Very interesting. There is a big tease that this coin, Slothana, might actually list on a big tier 1 exchange. And to be fair, you can see this is massive. This 12-hour candle, I was looking at it because it flagged up on one of my sort of alerts, and I was thinking, whoa, this coin is waking up. It's been an absolute while since it's done it, and the market cap is at 15.59 million. Liquidity is at $3 million. There could actually be a good chance of hitting $0.011 here for this particular token with the momentum that we are seeing, which would reflect another 36% potential gains for the coin. Of course, it already had a massive launch once upon a time, so it is down heavily versus its all-time high. But with the recent price action, with what is happening today, we can see actually we're getting some seriously bullish momentum here for Slothana, and you can't really deny that. It's had a 50 and more, in fact. Over the last day, it's moved 74%. So something is certainly happening behind the scenes, and we could see more upside potential for this coin. So if you do want to have a look at it, the link is down below. Not financial advice. I don't know how long it will pump for. It could go sideways, it could go up, it could go down. It's all down to how you feel. But you can see, look, with the meme coin super cycle gaining more ground, traders are now betting big on Slothana's explosive potential. The Solana-based meme coin landed on IEO in early 2024 after an impressive pre-sale outing, garnering approximately 15 million from early bird. So right now there is that kind of big sort of speculation. There's big partnerships with Slothana and CPE at the moment, so maybe this has got something to do with the drive as well, the partnership, and just everything that's coming together really nicely for this coin right now. Definitely check it out down below if you want to find a new coin that might have some more upside potential to it. The next one is No Man's Land. I've been talking about this a little bit, and to be honest with you guys, this one here is also so bullish. It's a real life movement mission meme coin. 6 huge missions. The team have just indeed burnt 5% of the supply. These tokens are now gone forever. In 2 days, Dan, the expedition guy here, he's a massive expedition dude, is going out to do his first mission out in Brazil, in the favelas, through the Darien Gap, in the Amazon rainforest. So make sure you do check out this journey down below. It could be honestly a new sort of 10 to 100x coin. Now today there was a big wipeout, a 30% movement to the downside. About 34%, but it's already getting eaten back up quite quickly, this particular dip, and I think is because of that massive first launch candle that happened. A lot of selling pressure happened because there was a lot of snipers, right? So people are a little bit fearful and weary of this level still, but soon, trust me guys, I really honestly feel it. Of course, not financial advice or anything, but I can feel this returning into 10, 15, 20 million dollars market capital quite soon. So let me know what you think of this one down below too, guys. Like I say, it's doxed and KYC, and it's not every day you get a meme coin or a movement mission token that's doing something real with real world impact, has a charity, has great tokenomics, 1 billion coins, no tax, contract renounced, and liquidity is locked. So definitely something to be looking at down below as well. So there's 2 coins on the side that you can dabble with and maybe buy into should you wish. So that's about it really. Floki, the speculation around a Coinbase listing is enough to get most people excited. And if we just have a little look at Floki right now, what's going on in the price action, it's still sitting steady at 0.002617. I think Floki's got the potential to blast through $5 billion on the market cap this cycle. Let me know your thoughts down below. Subscribe, like, comment. See you soon. Peace.